We're gonna get rid of those nasty squeaky floors in this video. So we did buy a kit right here. And then we also already have a drill. So you're gonna need a drill to actually fix it. So let's go ahead and open this little kit up. We're gonna show you everything that's inside and how to actually fix those squeaks. So first thing you're gonna see is the alignment and depth control fixture. This is for carpet, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and place this on the carpet. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is and how to use it, but this is what it comes with to fix carpet. We do have 50 screws that's included inside the kit, you guys. This is what the actual individual screw looks like right here. And it is scored, which means it has like a marking on it. That way it's easy just to break off. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. But the screw is basically gonna go straight into the joist. It's like a stud. If you guys are familiar with studs in the walls, it's like a 2x4 that's in the ground. This is gonna screw right into it. And then we're gonna be breaking this top part off. That way you can't feel it at all when you're touching the carpet. This is a special driver bit, and we're gonna use this to actually be driving the screws into the ground. Next is a fixture for hardwood floors and the vinyl floors, you guys. I'm not gonna be using this in this video, but just so you guys know, it is included so you guys could fix your hardwood floors and also your vinyl floors. It does come with 2 joist finders, and this is for carpeted floor, you guys. This is what's gonna go down into the ground, and then this is gonna go in your drill, and you're gonna basically look for those wooden studs in the ground with this little tool right here. So the last thing included are the instructions. So now let's fix our floor. So the hardest part is finding the joist that's under this carpet, you guys. And again, the joists are those wooden beams that are under, right? So I have a crawl space under, so I know that my joists are running long ways like this. So I'm basically gonna screw this in and see if I find it or if I hit it. If I don't, I'm gonna move it over and I'm gonna keep going until I actually hit it. And then once I hit it, we'll move on to the next step. And I'm just starting here because this is where the main squeak is at. So hopefully it's gonna be right around this area. You guys, so I got super lucky and I hit it on that first strike, and it was, I knew it was a joist there because when I was screwing in, it just kept going in and in and in, and it kept going deeper and deeper. If you don't have a joist there, you're gonna see that it's just gonna keep screwing around, and it's not really gonna go deep. I was just barely pushing the button and it was drilling all the way in. So I know that I hit it right here. If I didn't hit it, like I said, I would just keep going over and over and over, but I got super lucky, and that's our first spot right there. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing before I actually do it. So this is the actual bit that's gonna go into the drill, right? And this is the tool that makes the screw go in. And you guys could see that they're both squared right here. So they just plug in just like so, right? And then we're gonna be able to screw this this is gonna be all the way to the ground. So we're gonna be able to screw all the way in, and it's gonna stop at this certain point right here. Once it stops, we're gonna be able to, this is gonna be sticking out of the carpet. We're gonna be able to break it off with our little tool right here. So let's get it. Let me give you guys a quick close-up. So we drilled it right there, you guys. It's nice. It's in there. I think with that one screw, we should be good, but I might just give it another screw. That way we're not messing around and we just fix the problem. We might be good to go right here. So let me show you how to break this off. So we're going to be using this part of our depth control fixture, you guys, just like that. And then you could either rock it side to side or just pull on it. Just like that, you guys. Broke straight off. And this is the spot that it was at originally. So this was the spot where we screwed in right there. So you could barely even tell anything happened. You could see a little bit of frays, but that's nothing, especially this carpet's a little old, so I'm not even tripping out about that. But you guys, this is the top of the screw. This broke off. You guys, I can't feel the screw at all right here. I can't feel it. You could push on it all you want, but that's safe for your kids. It's good to go for adults. Let me go ahead and see if the squeak fixed, or if we got to keep going. All right, you guys, just like that, we fixed the squeak. I'm actually going to call it quits. I'm not going to drill any more holes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.